In this video I will teach you how to make smooth transition, so let's start the video.